Hello and welcome everyone. If you are looking to get hosting at discount, then this may be the right time because right now the special Black Friday deals are running at Hostinger. Plus, if you click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code, you're going to get additional discount on already running even Black Friday discount deal. So it's going to be double discount. So make sure to click on the link in the description. Mention the description of this video. Once you click on the link in the description, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing hosting Black Friday discount deal, and I will tell you on how you can get additional discount on already running Black Friday deals. So the good thing regarding hosting is that all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee. And if you scroll below and if you look around on the Trustpilot reviews of Hostinger, you may see that 4.7 out of 5 rating is just amazing, and almost everyone is praising Hostinger with their 5-star or 4-star reviews, and almost says that they are very good. So this is what I liked, and been using it from the last 4 years, and my experience so far is very good. I mean, using on my main blog, and my experience so far is very good. Never had to get a complaint. So make sure to click on the link in the description, and once you land over here, simply select the claim deal over here and move on all of the plan over here. So you're going to get discount on any plan any plan you choose. You're getting 30 days money back guarantee. You can cancel anytime, and 24/7 support is also included with Hostinger. So do your research. If you ask me which plan is good, if you need if you just want to host up to 3 websites, the premium plan is very good. If you want to host more than 3 websites, the business plan is you need to go. So after you are done with your research, simply select the choose plan with any of the plan, because you're going to save more money on premium plan. So let's go with the premium plan over here. So once you select the choose deal, now we will be moved to another page, and on that page you can use the coupon code discount. Plus you can choose your billing period as well. So you may see the Black Friday huge plan discounts are running specifically on 48 months or 4 years. If you ask me, I recommend you to offer the 48 months so you can save the maximum amount of money, because these prices won't appear again. So grab this discount offer by opting for 48 months. Now you may see your order summary over here, and after this select the have a coupon discount code and write this amazing discount code, which you can find in the description of this video along with the special discounting. Simply apply this discount coupon code, and you're going to see that your price got a further discount on already running discount Black Friday deals. Now there is another coupon code as well, so you can use either of the coupon code. It's all your personal preference to use which one you want to use. This is also mentioned in the description of this video along with the special discounting. So you may see your price is going to get a further discount. You're also getting free domain, so you can grab this offer right now or later on from your account as well. So if I have to get a free domain, I can use, for instance, just giving you an example, but do your research and choose your domain name wisely. So you can see I'm getting free for the first year. I'm going to select this domain over here, and after it I'm opting for the of 1 year, so I do not have to pay for anything right now. It's all free. So you may see over here my if I am going to show you my summary over here. Free web hosting 48 months, 2 extra months, free setup, free domain, free icon fee, domain privacy protection, all included. So move on to the continue to the last part to grab this amazing discount offer by Hostinger. So you can see your order summary again over here, and the 30 days money back guarantee is also included. And now write your billing details over here, and after you write your billing details, simply select the continue and move on to the last part, and that is selecting your payment method. And the good thing regarding Hostinger is that Hostinger offers you a variety of payment methods to choose on. You can pay via card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGates. Guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose. You can choose any as per your convenience. This is another good thing. They offer you flexibility, and this is another reason why I like for Hostinger. So let's say we're going with a credit card, write your credit card details, and simply select the submit button, submit payment, and within few minutes you're going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your hosting account details. So just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description, use either of the discount coupon code, and follow the step-by-step process I have mentioned in this video to grab this amazing Hostinger Black Friday plus double discount using my coupon code discount. So I've been using Hostinger from the last 4 years, and my experience so far is very good, and highly recommend you to use Hostinger as your primary hosting company. So I look forward to welcoming all of you at Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.